Do you know about Feng Shui? Well, what it is it's an ancient art from Asia of room placement. And what it says, and what I believe, is that the things that we surround ourselves with in our home or in our workspace have an effect on us. They affect our health, they affect our relationships, they affect our family life, they affect our creativity. So we want to be mindful when we place certain objects in our home. I thought we'd start with the bedroom because the bedroom is where we spend a lot of time, first of all, and it's where we restore ourselves physically and emotionally with a great night's sleep. And it's where we make love to our partner. So it's a room that is really important when it comes to Feng Shui and the art of room placement. Because if the energy isn't flowing well in the bedroom, your relationship probably isn't flowing very well. And so hopefully all of the things that I explained to you here, you will maybe implement and notice a difference in your relationship and in your quality of sleep. Color in our bedroom is almost like a chocolate brown, and that is supposed to promote peace and restful sleeping. Also white, cream, any skin tone colors are perfect in the bedroom. Above our bed, we have our wedding picture framed, and there aren't any pictures in our room of anybody else but us. And that's because you don't want to bring other people into the bedroom. It should be a place for rest and sex only. This painting here over the dresser is of Keith and I, and it's a piece that I created. It's the perfect piece of art to have in your bedroom, is a semi-nude or a nude of you and your husband. Not just of you or not just of him, but of the two of you, because this is the room where the love is happening and the sex is happening and the sleep is happening, and that's all that should be in here. And not a lot of plants. I do have 3 plants, but they're not major, huge plants that are like taking over the whole space, because plants are indicative of energy and of bringing life force into the room. So you don't want a lot of plants in your bedroom, because you want to be in a calming state. You don't want any mirrors in the bedroom, because mirrors will bring in, quote, another person into the relationship, unless that's what you want. No judgment here. This wall is also a perfect wall to have in the bedroom, because it's all the pictures that we have collected from our travels. I used to have them like ticky-tacked all around the house, and I was inspired by a place that we went in London that had a whole bunch of pictures all framed in different crazy frames and all shoved together, and that's what I created here. Dream catchers, these are wonderful to have in the bedroom because they're said to catch the dreams, the bad dreams, and pull them out of the air and only leave the good dreams. I have a big one here. I have a little tiny one over the bed, and then I have another big one over here. Then underneath the bed, I have a bowl of rice, which is said to take out any conflict that's going on in your mind or in your relationship. And I also have crystals stacked underneath my side of the bed and underneath his side of the bed. And then I have this blanket here that says, "May the love you share this day last a lifetime." Marygrace and Keith, January 31st, 2014. It was a gift from my sister, a wedding gift. So it's the perfect thing to have in here. Other than that, you just don't want pictures of other people in your bedroom, and you don't want really bright, crazy colors in your bedroom, and you don't want any like workout equipment or work stuff, desks, office space, none of that. You don't want the cat box in here. You don't want, it should just be all about sleep and sex. It's just a sublime, calm place. when you're at your front door of your house and you're standing looking into the house, the furthest right-hand corner of the house is your love corner, and the furthest left-hand corner of the house is your money corner. So our bedroom is in the furthest left-hand corner of the house, which is the money area. I do need to represent money in here in this corner. So what I've done is I have a big plant right in the corner. The corners are really important in Feng Shui. So this is our money corner. So I have a big plant here, and it's a really strong plant. It's not like a soft, floppy plant. It's a plant that's got like sharp, pointy leaves. And then in the very, very, very corner, I have an abundance candle. I have 2 jade Buddhas. One's the traveling Buddha, which my husband loves, and the other one's the happy Buddha. And I have a jade goat with a jade money bracelet around its head. And although you're not supposed to have a lot of plants in your bedroom, I have the one in the corner because it's my money corner, so that's a really important one. And then the one that I have over here is important because a plant that's set next to your bed can absorb your bad dreams too. So in those situations, it's cool to have a plant, but just not like tons of plants in here. Also want to make sure that your bed is placed in the proper place in the bedroom. So you want to be able to see the door or the doorway where the door comes in, but you don't want to be directly across from the door. So our bed is here, and then the doorway is here. So it's not directly across from it. Also, you don't want your headboard to be up against the same wall as the bathroom where the pipes are and the plumbing, because that's bad Feng Shui. And you don't want it to be really cluttered on the sides of the bed where you can't like get to the wall very easily. You want it to be kind of light and open. And you want to keep the windows open if you can during the day in your room. Keep the light going and the energy flowing. All these things will help you sleep. It's common sense, but it's definitely the Feng Shui art of room placement. And you finally want to have your bed with your face, when you sleep, facing north. If you're facing north while you sleep, then that induces more rest, more calm, more peace. And if you're facing the other way, north, that'll cause more of agitation or just give you more energy, make you want to get up and go more. Where maybe if you're starting a business, you might want that, but our stage in our life, we just want to sleep. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helps you. And when you figure how many hours we spend in our bed, in our bedroom, sleeping, it's like a third of our life, or fourth of our life at least. It's really important that we get it right. So hopefully that helped you. Thanks so much for watching. And as always, you can hit the show more button at the bottom of the video, which on a PC is right underneath the video. On a tablet, it's down below the suggested videos, and you'll get any links or any recommendations or any further comments that I have down there. And you can leave a comment too, or a question. Thank you for watching.